Is it time to buy or sell ZTO Express Cayman, American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A stock? In this video, we're diving deep into ZTO Express Cayman, American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and a deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2025, our system has ranked ZTO Express Cayman, American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A share, as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.01. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. Unfortunately, the stock has not performed as expected, showing a loss of 2.42% so far. This translates to an average loss of 0.19% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a strong upward trend in the short term, which often suggests an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.47 be breached, it would first indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 21.64% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 19.95% and 30.74%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month projection shows an anticipated change of negative 17.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 38.79% to negative 5.56% over the coming year. In current terms, this suggests a future price between $12.08 and $18.64. Our latest daily update for ZTO Express Cayman Inc., American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A, includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for ZTO Express Cayman Inc., American stock after losing 2.33%. The ZTO Express Cayman Inc. American stock price declined by 2.33% on the last day, Tuesday, the 19th of August, 2025, falling from $20.21 to $19.74. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.53%, reaching a day low of $19.60 and a day high of $20.09. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 0.1% gain over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive sign as volume should ideally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 673,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged for approximately $67,390,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $27.50, while the lowest was $16.34. Currently, the price is 28.22% or $7.76 below the 52-week high and 49.37% or $19.25 below the all-time high recorded on July 6, 2020, when the price reached $38.99. ZTO's latest quarter highlights the contrasting aspects of its performance. In the second quarter of 2025, parcel volume increased by 16.5%, reaching a total of 9.8 billion. Adjusted net income was reported at 2.1 billion renminbi, accompanied by an interim dividend of 30 cents per American Depositary Share, clear indicators that both scale and demand remain strong. However, recent quarters have also revealed increasing cost pressures. Operating costs surged by approximately 17.9% in the first quarter. Margins became tighter due to lower average selling prices amid intense price competition, and liquidity metrics have shown a decline toward a precarious current ratio. Discussions surrounding trade headwinds and weaknesses in freight forwarding introduce further macroeconomic risks. In the short term, the robust volume figures and the dividend should provide support for the stock price and bolster investor sentiment. Nevertheless, concerns regarding margin compression and liquidity could curtail potential rallies and heighten volatility. Looking to the future, ZTO stands to benefit from China's thriving e-commerce sector and the network effects that drive volume growth. However, persistent pricing pressures and increased operating expenses will be critical factors in determining whether earnings and cash flow can keep up. This makes effective cost control and margin recovery essential focal points for achieving sustainable upward momentum. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned ZTO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned ZTO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 26th of June, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned ZTO a neutral rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 27th of March, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned ZTO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 31st of August, 2023, it was reported that Bernstein assigned ZTO an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A stock, a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as neutral. For return on investment, analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A. ZTO Express Cayman Inc. has received a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is observed from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, the overall indication for the stock is a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $20.01. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $19.35. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 7, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 4.78%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Stop. Here are some additional signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal recorded 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal identified 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal observed 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal detected 3 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $17.53 and $17.50. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, ZTO Express Cayman Inc. finds support just below today's level at $17.53. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $17.50 and $17.03. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered quite low. During the past day, the stock fluctuated by approximately $0.49 between its high and low, which corresponds to a change of 2.53%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.87%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.86. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A, is at $20.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A, encounters its first support level at $17.53. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.72, reflecting a decline of 5.19%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to a minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A stock, a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for ZTO Express Cayman Inc. American stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 20th of August, we anticipate ZTO Express Cayman American Depositary Shares, each representing one Class A, will open higher by approximately 0.0683 and begin trading at 19.81. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.